This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Need new tools or upgrade? Think Value Testers. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It is February 28th, 2020. So anyway, I got a call for no heat on an oil furnace. And the guy says that I have a tag on it. I installed it 5 years ago, and it's never been serviced, he said. I said, well, he said he just bought the house. I said, supposed to be calling every year for service. He just bought the house. He's got oil in the tank. Well, he hits the reset button and it trips right out, so it's not firing. Not good to let an oil furnace go. Now, I don't, these people that I service, I have them call me every year, once a year to do the service. I don't call them. I got too many customers that keeps rolling in on that, and I don't want to get bothered. So I have people call me, and I go there and take care of the service. That's how I operate. But when it's been 5 years, it's probably, things all choked up, or who knows. We'll try to get you some footage. Steve is working again, Mama. Attention. Yeah, you love attention. I know you love attention. Alright, so that thing's tripped. For sure. I don't think the hot water's tripped. I definitely did not put this furnace in. No, it wasn't me. I might have gave her a price on changing it. I'm not sure. But this isn't tripped. It's not tripped. See, well, again, for oil flow. And let's see if we're getting any oil flow. Look at that hack job. I definitely wouldn't have done that. This is a Concord. This is not something I put in. Not something I did. It's a flipping slasher. You got over here. And cattywampus. Good oil. Probably needs a new nozzle. Flipping mess. Flipping joke. Something I would have changed. I wouldn't have left that. He might have just ran out of oil. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this mess. Guy's a slasher. I definitely don't do work like this. Look at this. I don't do work like that. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what we can do with this thing. Let's try that first. Take the nozzle out. What a flipping slasher. Unbelievable. Look at this. Flipping slasher. It's a flipping slasher, Mama. Guy's a flipping slasher. Could just be a shit show. It could be a shit show. Years to be serviced. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeehaw. Go easy with the head here. I don't break it off. Maybe it just needs a little tender loving care, Mama. A little TLC. He just needs a little TLC. I think I might have told this lady back in the day she needed a new oil tank and I don't want to touch it or something. I don't remember. I have to go look at it. We'll go with a little 75-70 in there. Be fine. We'll see if it fires. Might be a bad transformer, who knows. Put a little nozzle in it and see if it fires up. We'll check the oil flow. Not the greatest. Electrodes don't look all that great. I'm gonna clean them up a little bit. Give me the old how you doing, Mama. Give me the old how you doing. Give him a little more. Give him a little toke. Give him a little toke on it. Let's see what we got here. Give it a little bit more. Give it a little bit more. Give it a little bit more. Yes, sir. Yes, sirree, Bob. Alright, we'll try that and see if it fires. Should. We'll see if that makes a difference. Old oil tank. I don't know what's going on with that old oil tank, but it wasn't good, whatever it was. I remember last time I was here. Oh, I think I might have ran a new oil line for her. I think that's what I did. I told her she needed a new tank. Something like that. She ended up selling the house with no tank in it. The old tank was still there. Wow, that thing's fucked up. Oh well, it's going in bare ass. It's going in bare ass. This fucking guy's got the radio going upstairs. Look at that shit. Don't like that shit. Don't like that. We'll see if it fires. See if it fires now. He must have the thermostat off upstairs. He must have the thermostat off up so we can jump it out right here. I can jump it out right here. Oh, hang on a minute. Gotta plug this in. I'm gonna plug this back in, right? The high limit. Let's try it now. He's hit the resetter quite a few times. We'll let it run and we'll check the oil flow. We'll jump out F so it stays running. See what we got for oil flow there. I got the FF jumped out so it's not going to trip out. Plenty of oil flow. Filters are still fine. Filters are still fine on it. That nozzle was probably just dirty. Make sure you take that off or it won't restart. Something to do with this. I think I might have ran this new oil line. I think that's what I did. I thought that there was something to do with the tank. Oil. Tank's old, it should be replaced. I'm gonna let them know tank's old and should be replaced. Alright, new nozzle, clean burner head, reset electrodes, good oil flow. Just gonna put the cover back on this thing. And I definitely did not replace this. I didn't put this furnace in. I wouldn't do work like that. See how that pipe comes through? I wouldn't do that. No way.